Hi there. In the book of Ecclesiastes, the 3rd chapter and the first few verses, Solomon tells us that there is a time for everything under heaven. And one of the things I'm going to do today is take advantage of the time that there is to plant things. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I have available here to actually transplant a plant. Now, this plant has flowers. And so there's a really good resource book out there called Raising with the Moon. And you want to study this and find out the phases of the moon, and then you want to go to the Farmer's Almanac and get the zodiac signs that the moon phase happens to be in for those days. So today is a perfect day for transplanting something that has flowers. We're in the second quarter, the end of the second quarter of the moon phase, and we're in Libra. And Libra is the excellent sign for something that has a lot of flowers. So I'm going to show you what I have here. So I've got my flower inside of my wheelbarrow right here. And then standing by, I've got a bag of potting soil. And I also have some water, both for my plant and for myself. And then I have 2 pots that I'm going to be transplanting this plant in. Okay, so I've taken it out of its pot, and the next thing I want to do when I examine it is I want to see where the 2 plants separate, which is about here. So you can separate them by hand or you can use a knife, but you gently want to pull them apart so that you don't ruin the root system. Okay, so you can see that I've moved the plant out of the wheelbarrow and I put it on the ground because sometimes if the plant is really dry, you need to wet the soil. So I used my water pot, which is over there, and just got the soil nice and moist so it'd be easier to pull the 2 plants apart. Okay, so now I've taken the plant and put it in the pot, and I'm going to fill in. You can see some of the areas where there's gaps. I'm going to fill in using my potting soil. Now that the potting soil is in here, what I do is I have my glove on before, but I push the soil in around the edges of the pot and keep turning and move the plant out of the way a little and get underneath there and turn and get all this in here and so forth all the way around until it's nice and full of soil. And then you're ready to water. You just want to go a little bit at a time until it drains out the bottom. And now we're ready for our second plant. So I'll go ahead and get my second plant, which is over here in the dirt. Pick that up. And I want to get it kind of centered here. And then I'll go ahead and do the same thing, filling in all the way around with the potting soil. All right, so now the second plant is ready for water. It's all stuffed in there with nice potting soil. And just go around and get everything nice and wet until the water flows out the bottom. So there you have it, 2 plants from 1.